Bahay River.
Sa Kalibong mo yan, madaanan din natin.
Oh wow, that's a
Baklada
huge
River na
river.
sinasabi.
Ito yung lumang river, lumang bridge. Foreigner. We're going to our aunt's house
Mom's sister.
that I never seen for 30 years. So I haven't been here for 30 years. And I don't remember anymore what it looks like. So let's see. Where? That's their house? See, I remember this. This field, yes. That's all I remember, the rice field, and that's it. This one? No. Oh yeah. This is my mom's sister's. Knock knock. Here. Hi. That's my mom's second sister. Google Map. She looked like my grandma. My aunt. She looked like my grandma. My Uncle Jerry.